Now I'm going to show you the List Finder Pro that is 100% free with a course. This software is totally free for the students who enroll to the course. There is no hidden marketing behind this software. You have to trust me. I won't bill you after 3 to 4 months of usage. So believe me and make use of this software. And you know what? You can access this software free for your lifetime, so you can use this software at any time. This software is going to be completely free throughout your lifetime, and also all the updates regarding this software will also be free in future, so you don't have to fear. You just relax and make use of this software, which is going to be free throughout your lifetime. I usually sell this software for $67, but I'm providing it 100% free for the students who enroll to the course. The only intention behind this is to help my students who enroll to my course. So make use of this software and bring lot of traffic to your website and grow your business. This is all what I want. If you are enrolled to the course, please send me an inbox message or ping me, or you can also create a message in discussion board so that I'll send all the software credentials to you. If you have any questions or doubts, please feel free to contact me. I will reply you within a maximum of 24 to 48 hours. So in my next lectures, I'm going to explain about how to make use of the interfaces in this software. So don't skip my upcoming lectures. This will definitely help you a lot.